Hi, friends! Today we're playing with farm animals. Do you know their names?
Yeah!
Wait! What's going on? Oh no, they're running away! Guys, what do you think? If we draw these animals, will they come back?
Yes!
Let's try! We're gonna play a game. I draw, and you guess the animal. But I'll give you some hints. This animal eats a lot of grass and plants. That's why its stomach has 4 parts. I'll use black to draw and color the spots. By the way, this animal has a great sense of smell. It helps the animal find food and sense danger. This animal can also feel happy and sad. It's time to use some pink color. Do you already know the name of this animal? Red for the collar and yellow for the bell. We'll also add some gray for the horns. It worked! Our cow is here. Let's find the right spot for it. No. Wrong. That's right. The game is the same. I draw, you guess. Here's a hint. It's a bird that spends a lot of time in the water. Let's use light gray to color its belly. You can often see these birds flying in a big V shape in the sky. We'll need a different shade of gray for the wings. If this bird is sick, its friends will help and protect it. Let's use orange for the feet and the beak. Yellow is for the top part of the beak and the eyes. Aha! Here it is! A goose! Help me find the right spot for it. It doesn't fit. That's wrong. This is the right spot. Are you ready for the next round of the guessing game? Awesome! This animal can remember things for a long time. It can even decide which memories are the most important. We'll need pink to paint this animal's body. This animal loves to roll in the mud, but it's actually very clean. It also loves being around its mates. They often sleep nose to nose. This animal can't sweat, and the mud protects it from the sun. I think a darker shade of pink will look great here. Now a little white to finish it off. Woohoo! Here you are, little pig. Let's find a cozy spot for the piggy. Is it this one? No? Maybe here? Wrong, guys. I know, this is the right spot. Next. This animal can sleep while standing up. It helps them save energy. Let's use orange to color this cutie. Its ears can rotate 180 degrees. It allows them to hear sounds from all around. This animal's foot is actually a single toe called a hoof. It's made of the same material as your fingernails. Cool, right? This animal loves being with friends and can get lonely if it's alone. How about we use brown for the mane? Perfect! The tail is gonna be brown too. A touch of pink. And here is our, right, horse. Where does the horsey live? Here? Oh no. Maybe here? That's right. Let's draw the next animal. Try to guess what it is. I have some hints to help you out. This animal has unusual eyes with rectangular horizontal pupils. It can climb steep mountains or even trees. We'll need beige to color it. By the way, this animal is a picky eater and doesn't like food that is dirty. It also dislikes water and will try to step over puddles instead of walking through them. Now, some yellow and a bit of pink. Gray for the horns, and some brown too. The bell is gonna be yellow. Some orange touches. Blue, what a pretty color. And a bit of green. Yay! Look, friends, it's a goat. Where should we put it? Here? Wrong spot? Perhaps here? No. This is the right spot. Moving on. This is a very smart bird that can remember more than 100 faces. These birds talk to each other using lots of different sounds. Our main color is gonna be brown. This bird has better color vision than people. It can also run very fast. Have you already guessed the name of this bird? Another hint. It lays eggs you eat for breakfast. Orange for the wings and the belly. Now we need some red. And a bit of yellow for the baby. We did it! It's a chicken! Let's find the correct place for it. Is it here? Nope. This one is correct. Let's see if you recognize this animal. It has a lot of wool that keeps it warm. It has teeth only on the bottom of its mouth, and it uses them to mash grass against the top of its mouth. How about cute pink ears? Its face is gonna be pink too. We'll use blue for the flower. And some yellow too. The coat is gonna be gray. This coat is super thick and helps the animal stay warm. Look, guys, it's a sheep. Where does it belong? Here. No! This is its place. And the last animal. You know it for sure. When this animal is happy, it often jumps and twists in the air. This animal has long ears that can turn almost all the way around. I want to use a nice shade of gray to color this animal. By the way, its front teeth grow its whole life. It has to chew a lot so that they don't grow too long. So, do you already know what this animal is called? Another hint. It can jump high and far. Just a few finishing touches to make its fur fluffy. And we'll use some pink for the ears and the cheeks. Finally! We've got a rabbit here, guys. There's only one spot left. Let's check if it fits. Perfect. Look, friends, all the animals are here. Do you remember their names? Goose, chicken, sheep, pig, horse, cow, goat, rabbit. Great job, friends. See you soon. Thank you for your help.